tornado alert. Look at this. Rick, look.
Read it.
It says the national... What? How did you do this? How did you do this, Rick?
Monroe led away
At least...
until 2:12. Message from Taylor. That's down.
0.
So then it'll move this way.
How did this happen?
What did they say? Local homes will be damaged. What?
Uh-oh. How did you... Rick. Now your music's
Hey,
off.
they're saying home and auto damage is likely. Home and auto damage is likely. It's a warning right now down in Taylor. Listen. Until 2:12.
That's fine. It's still on. Hey, it came back. Now it's good. There we go.